Hello everyone, my name is Shaq Kanda and I'm the founder of Worldwide Alphas. So what I'm going to go through for you guys on this video is when you go into the market, how you can actually analyze on the market when it comes to support and resistance. I want to show you guys a strategy that's very easy to use and it's a very reliable way to actually trade. So let me go straight into it because you guys know all about it. My motto is keep it simple, stupid. So let's go straight into it. I'm just going to share my screen. So the first thing you guys want to do is actually search on TradingView. After you search on TradingView, this is a free website where you can actually do your own analysis and technical analysis, fundamental analysis, you name it. This is where you do everything. So I'm going to go into what the biggest pair that exists, which is Euro USD. Okay, so after this, what I do is I press on the full future chart so I can see the graph, right? Let it load up, let it load up. So here we can see, I want to keep this as simple as possible. So what I want to show you guys is the way of actually going into TradingView and to be able to do support resistance, a simple strategy, and to be able to profit on the market. So I'm going to look for a place where the market is actually having a support and resistance, which is also easy to see for your eyes. As you guys have seen on my previous videos, where I explained what support and resistance is. But I'm going to do it one more time so you guys are actually on the loop for this video. So support and resistance is when you buy at the bottom and you sell at the top. It's pretty simple, nothing more than that, all right? You sell at the bottom and you sell at the top. So what we're trying to look for now in TradingView is to see if we can find a floor, which is here. Try to look for the floor or look for the ceiling, which is up here. All right, ceiling. So this is what we're going to look for in the market. I think I spelled that wrong. So if you see here, I'm trying to look, my eyes, I can see it kind of quickly because I've done this for a long time now. But what I'm trying to look for, if you guys see the cross, I'm trying to see where the market is repeatedly touching. So you guys follow the mouse, you see? One time, 2 times, and 3 times, and 4 times. So this is a good support area. And what I wanted to do is that you press over here a horizontal line, or you can just press Alt plus H if you have if you don't have a Mac computer, the normal ones. You press on the horizontal line, you try to look for the area, and then you press. Okay, now you have your first area. Why I did this on this place is because once again my eyes can see very clearly that this place is a good support area. So now I want to see, like I mentioned on this, you want to, okay, now I found this, the floor. I want to find the ceiling now where the market is repeatedly touching. So I'm going to go in and here we see, okay, so if this is the support, there has to be a ceiling. So if we look up here, this is a good place for a ceiling. All right, so on this spot now, we can now see that at the top we can sell and at the bottom we can buy. So we buy, we sell, we sell, we sell, and we buy. And from this, now, only by doing this, you can already start to earn money on your phone. So what we're trying to look for now, like I mentioned on my previous videos, go back to the video basic terms if you don't understand this word. What we're going to do now is we're going to find the take profit and the stop loss. So what you want to do is press on this tool over here. A short position means that you want to sell the market, and a long position means that you want to buy the market. And now let's do it in this case. We just press on buy. We take it all the way over there, and now you can see this red one and the green one is popping up. So if we see all the way to the top, there's actually 26 pips. And I have a thing called a ratio of 2 to 1. 2 to 0, my bad, 2 to 0. So what I win, if I win 26, I want to lose half of that if I were to take a trade, okay? On my later video, I'm going to go show you guys my strategy, how I'm exactly doing it. I'm going to show you guys step by step. So if I win 26, I'm going to lose 13, okay? So this is my way of making, okay, this is a good trade. Because Now I know if I were to look all the way from here, the market is always on the right side. So it's moving from the left to the right side. So if we see here now, we have seen it repeatedly. And now I put it down. Even if I put it down there, we can now see it went all the way up to the ceiling and then it went down. It did not reach my stop loss. And what is the best way to do it? Now when we have done this, the numbers you can see on the side, the green one means your take profit and the red one means your stop loss. I can say it once again. Take profit means how much you've earned, how much you're willing to earn on this trade. And stop loss means how much you're willing to lose on this trade. You put these numbers on your phone, and after you've done that, you can move your phone to the side. You don't have to look at it because it's just going to bring emotions. Being like, okay, if I jump on this one, am I going to move it? Am I going to move my stop loss? Am I going to move my take profit? And if you put in emotions, the market will win. You have to be heartless, cold when you're doing your trading. You have to be in a harmony. I'm going to show you later on a later video the steps before you actually put your trade in, how to stay calm, what to think of, what to do before you actually do a trade. So this is it. This is a normal support and resistance. You find the ceiling, you find the floor, you take out your either short position or long position, you place it where it's supposed to be, and the ratio is supposed to be 2.00. Now it was 0.1, but 0.0. That means that if you do 10 trades, if you only win 4 of them, you're good. If you win 4 of 10, you're in profit. And in this way, if you do 10 trades, you only have to win on 4. 6 you can lose on. This is a good ratio for you guys out there. You're not supposed to think of the first one. The first one is not supposed to be the best. If you think only about one trade, then you're gonna get it messy because it's like, oh, this trade, it didn't go good. Okay, well, I can think of the next one. And if you say instead, okay, of 10 trades, 4 has to go in, 6 I can lose, so it's all cool. You lost, all cool. You lost, all cool. You lost, all cool. You lost, all cool. In profit, nice. Now the ratio is gonna start. 1 profit, that's nice. You lost, all cool. 3 in, 4 in. Make sense? Out of 10, 4 has to go in. And this is the basic and simple way of support and resistance. You find the ceiling, you find the floor, you put a short or a long position, put it down there, a ratio of 2.00, and you take the number and you put it on your phone. And that's it. Like I mentioned always, keep it simple, stupid. And if you're a person that is a solo trader, hats off to you. I like it. You're good. But why do it solo when you can actually share your experience and talk your trades with a community that's doing exactly the same? And if you guys want to reach out to me, my number is down below on my WhatsApp number. Just write to me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you ain't, well, I wish you all luck and good luck killing the market.